Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize iPhone fonts on iOS 18. So I will just tab on my iPhone settings and make sure your device is up to date on iOS 18 software. So after you will just installing and just tab on in the journal, and after insert a little bit scroll down and you will have to just find fonts. So after tabbing font inside, you will see there is a system font or my font. So system font, which is on device default fonts, which is already installed. You can just change it from here of any of Apple color emoji or Apple MN, and there are many fonts you will see. So from here you can just change it easily. So I will just example, when I was type hello. So this is the system default font, and if I change it like American, so bold, so like this. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.